How to log in Gmail account in laptop. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer in your laptop and in the search bar, search for www.gmail.com. Now to log in into your Gmail account, first of all, you have to navigate to your profile icon if you have already logged in with one of your another Gmail account. After you click on your profile icon from the top right corner, a drop-down box will pop up with all your account that you have logged in into this device. Scroll down a bit and then click on Add another account. That will take you to next page. Again, click on Use another account. Now, you have to type in your Gmail address. So type in your Gmail address, then click on Next. After you click on Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Enter your password, and if you have set up the verification in your Gmail, you have to complete the verification. Once you complete the verification, then you'll be directly logged into your Gmail account. So this is the way to log into your Gmail account in your laptop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.